Day number 2 of the 30 days of freestyle challenge. Let's see how we go and work on some stuff. I'm running over here because the mosquitoes are killing me, so I'm just trying to change spots. Whew. Alright, today's lesson. What did I learn besides the mosquitoes out here? Next time I definitely need to bring more mozzie repellent because they have never been fed before. They are feasting on my blood. But what I think I learned today, today's lesson, something I'm trying to work on, I'm definitely going to do it when I get home, is lower the camera angle on this rig, because FPV is not a race. You can just fly at your own pace. I'm so used to going so fast and always pushing that camera angle as much as I can to get insane speeds, but that's not really helping me here. It's not helping me be smooth. So, you know, slow is smooth. Often they like to say that, and smooth is fast, but I feel like slow is smooth and smooth is sexy when it comes to freestyle. So I'm going to be slowing it down, and I think that's today's lesson, that freestyle, it's not a race. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, as long as with your regular standard programming reviews and all that stuff. But let me know, drop your comments down below too, what you think about this little format experiment video, and I'll see you on the next one. See you tomorrow. Subscribe for more FPV related Mozzie field content, and as always, happy flying.